What are biomaterials, and how are they used in dentistry? Let's illustrate it with an analogy. Dentists use biomaterials to help rebuild bones and gums in the same way that scientists use natural materials to help rebuild the coral reefs. As we know, the coral reefs are in danger of dying away. In response, scientists use natural materials to create structures that offer the ideal environment for new coral to grow. It's the same with our bones and gums. For them to regrow and regenerate, they sometimes require an external structure that creates the right conditions. This is where biomaterials come in. Biomaterials can be bone substitutes or matrices, for example, which are commonly used in dental treatments. They create a support structure within which bone or soft tissue can grow. Over time, the biomaterials are gradually integrated into the surrounding tissue. What does this mean for patients? Biomaterials help restore the position of the gums, so patients no longer have to suffer from sensitive tooth roots and an unattractive gum line. They improve the stability of dental implants by providing a strong foundation in the jawbone for years to come. The treatments can help restore patients' good oral health and their quality of life.